Hey there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw baby Saja holding a heart from K-pop demon hunters. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting our paper in half, and we're going to draw in a small arch line right in the center. And then coming underneath, we're just going to curve that in the opposite direction for the smile. Let's come up on a diagonal from that. We're going to draw in a nice big circle for our left eye. And then we're going to do the same on the opposite side, just lining that up as best as we can at the exact same height. Let's add some highlights into our eye now. So on the inside edge here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that first highlight. And now let's come down on a diagonal, creating our second circle, just making this one slightly smaller. Now let's just color in our eyes black. Let's come up and we're going to draw in the hair now. So coming across from this right eye, we're just going to curve this around and up for the center of that bang. And then to the right of that, again, just curving this around and through towards the top. Let's step out, up above. We're going to curve this line across. And then again, from that point, arching this around and through on the side. Now from here, let's come underneath. We're going to curve this over towards the side. And then again, let's just pull this back around and through towards the top. Let's step over underneath this here. We're going to curve this out towards our left eye, arching that through. And then again, we're just going to pull this around and up towards the top. We're going to step across and do this one more time. So starting almost from that corner there, we're just going to curve this out. Again, we're going to pull this around and through towards the top, making that line shorter. And now let's close off the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to round this out. So we're going to curve this around, pulling this through for the cheek, flattening that out in the center for the chin. And then we're going to do the exact same thing as we flip across on that right-hand side. Now let's come over for the ear. Starting just above that edge here on the hair, we're just going to curve this around, pulling that back in. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, creating our second ear. Let's add in the details inside. So stepping up, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. And now moving under, we're going to draw in a small half circle. Now on the left and right hand side, we're just going to curve a line that arches through towards the top. And this is just going to close off the side of the hair. And we're going to end that at the same height. And then now let's just close this off with a nice big curved line, pulling this down on the right. Let's come up. We're going to draw in the beanie now above. So again, just curving this line around and in towards the top on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then again, just closing this off with a curved line, connecting those two lines together. Let's move up, closing off the top of the beanie now. So we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line, creating a small dome shape there. Now let's come underneath. We're going to draw in a curved line right in the center for the neck. We'll come out and we'll draw two small diagonal lines, stepping across, ending those at the same height. And now let's draw the top of the heart. So right in the center here, stepping down, we're going to curve this up, connecting it to that line, and then pulling this down on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's curve this collar back in towards the chin. And now let's close off the shoulder on the top. So we're just going to curve this line out. Now from here underneath, we're going to curve this around, pulling that back in. Now for the finger, we're just going to curve this out, pulling that back up. Let's step in, curving this around, pulling that back through. And then one last time for the thumb, we're just going to curve this up, connecting it to the heart, and then pulling it down to close off our arm. Now let's draw on the bottom of the heart. So we're just going to curve this line in on a diagonal towards the center, trying to line this up with the center line on the top. We'll do the exact same thing as we pull this through on the top right, curving that out. Now for the sweater, we're going to pull 2 lines that come down on each side. And then we'll close this off underneath with a curved line. Let's come up again. We're going to curve this in towards the middle, stepping out, replicating that as we pull that up on the right. Now from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines coming down. Moving across again, let's replicate that, leaving a small gap. Again, stepping over, replicating that. And then one more time, pulling that through. Let's draw in the leg. So from the center, leaving a small gap, we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out, ending those at the same height. We'll step across, lining this up at the same height, pulling a straight line through, closing off the side of the leg. Let's close those off with a curved line. Let's draw in the shoe. So on the back here, arching this down on both sides. Now underneath, curving this out towards the side. Now from that edge, we're going to curve this all the way around, pulling that down, leaving a gap. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. And then we're just going to close off the sole of the shoe, curving this in on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw baby Saja from K-pop Demon Hunters holding a heart. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.